Victoria is offering free train rides on weekends in December, so I took the opportunity to visit Geelong. This was my first time taking the V line, so it was an interesting experience. The train takes about 1 hour from Southern Cross to Geelong Station, passing by the Geelong refinery. From there, I took the opportunity to see the new Spirit of Tasmania 4 ferry, which is moored in Corio Bay. The new ferry was built in Scotland, but the current terminal in Tasmania requires additional works to accommodate it, so it is temporarily moored here until the terminal can be ready. Meanwhile, the current Spirit of Tasmania 1 and 2 ferries continue to service the link between Geelong and Devonport. The waterfront provides a beautiful bike and pedestrian path for a morning ride. Along the way, you can see art sculptures, memorials, and ships. At the Cunningham Pier, the weather turned bad and I got trapped by the rain.
Got caught in the rain.
When it lightened, I took the opportunity to grab shelter and breakfast at Two Chefs Geelong. After breakfast, the rain didn't look like it would stop, so I decided to ride to the station and head back to Melbourne.